Fluent Listening, Episode 6, Making a New Friend at the Office. Characters: Sophie, a new employee; Jason, a friendly coworker. Welcome to Fluent Listening, your beginner-level English podcast. Today's episode is Making a New Friend at the Office. Let's listen to Sophie, a new employee, as she meets Jason during her first week at work. Scene 1, Monday morning in the office kitchen.
Hey there. I haven't seen you before. Are you new?
Yes, I just started today. I'm Sophie.
Nice to meet you, Sophie. I'm Jason. Welcome to the team.
Thanks, Jason. I'm still learning where everything is.
Don't worry, we've all been there. What team are you on?
I'm joining the customer support team.
Oh, cool. I'm in marketing, but we work with support a lot.
That's good to know. Everyone seems really nice so far.
Yeah, it's a friendly place. Did you get a tour of the office yet?
Not yet. I just met my manager and went straight to my desk.
I can show you around after lunch if you want.
That would be great. Thank you.
Scene 2, during a coffee break.
So, where did you work before this?
I worked at a small tech company for 2 years. It was a remote job.
Oh, nice. How's it going being back in an office?
Honestly, I like it. It's good to see people and not just Zoom calls.
I agree. I like talking face-to-face even just about coffee or lunch.
Same here. It feels more real.
Where do you live, if you don't mind me asking?
Not far. I live about 15 minutes from here near the park.
That's perfect. I live close, too. Maybe we can carpool someday.
That would be fun. Thanks for the offer.
Scene 3, after lunch, walking back to desks.
So here on the left is the meeting room. We usually have team meetings there.
It looks nice and quiet.
And down this hall is the copy room and the printer.
Got it. Where do you usually eat lunch?
Sometimes outside if the weather is good. Or in the break room.
I brought a sandwich today. Is the break room okay to use?
Definitely. There's a microwave, fridge, and even free tea and coffee.
That's awesome. Free coffee is a big plus.
Totally agree.
Scene 4, at the end of the day.
How was your first day?
Really good. Everyone was helpful, and I didn't feel lost.
I'm glad. The first day can be a little overwhelming.
Yes, but you made it easier. Thanks again for the tour in the company.
Anytime. Let's grab lunch later this week.
Yes, I'd love that.
Great. See you tomorrow then.
See you, Jason. Have a nice evening.
You too, Sophie. Welcome again.
Thanks for listening to Fluent Listening, Episode 6, Making a New Friend at the Office. Practice today's phrases for small talk, workplace English, and polite conversation. See you in the next episode.